Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make and use a subscript icon for your YouTube page. First, click on the Create option. In the new window, select the Custom option and from the Custom section, select Art and Illustration. Background Contents. Click on Transparent. And OK. We need now a rounded rectangle tool. After drawing the desired shape, select the interior color as red and the surrounding color as colorless. And this time we choose the ellipse tool. And draw a circle shape, select the interior color as red and the surrounding color as colorless. And remember, after adding a new layer, lock the previous layers so that they can be easily moved and there is no interference with the following layers. Hold Shift and select. Here we have both layers by Merge option to make it easy to move both shapes. Blending options. You will see in the video what changes you need to make in the following. I will leave this section to your own choice, because in this section, depending on your own taste, what changes will you make? You need a new shape now. From the Custom Shape option, choose a shape of your choice. You will see in the video what changes you need to make in the following. From this point on, you have the option to work with yourself. You can add or remove anything to your liking. I will leave this section to your own choice, because in this section, depending on your own taste, what changes will you make? Blending options. Blending options. Blending options. After finishing the work, it is better to control everything. Now I realize that I left the letter E. We need to save the file in PNG or GIF format. Well, our work is done at this stage and we need to upload the file. We have to open YouTube now. YouTube Studio. Settings. Channel. Branding. End of video. Custom start time. Entire video. And to save. Now you see that the icon subscript has been loaded. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please subscribe and don't forget to like, as well as share this video with your friends. If you have any criticisms or suggestions, please write to me in the comments.